All right, today let's get into GitHub Desktop. So, as the download page itself says, that it simplifies the development workflow in a simple nutshell, if we want to know. So, there are different versions for Mac and Windows. So, you can download it and install it. It's simple, right? I'll put the link. You can download it. Now let's open after your install. Let's look at it how it looks. So after opening from the icon, the it will look something like this. We have two repositories, remember, on the GitHub. You got to sign in. Once you sign in, it will be looking something like this. Your repositories are in handy. We can create new repositories on your local hard drive, clone from internet. Just a click of button. If you look, right, let's open any of them. Let's clone GitHub Foundation here. So here it's asking the path and all. We can specify the path as per our wish. Let's click on clone, and here we go. And here it is, right? So it's very simple. Remember, like previously we have fired the clone command and all, and here it's just a simple click of button. With the UI we can do many things. If you look here, push, require, pull, right? We have merge. We have done a merge in the previously the repository settings. Everything is there. In new repository we can create, right? Branch. Remember, we have fired branch command, merge into the current branch. These things we have done programmatically. Create pull request and all, right? So here everything is simple, made simple. So that's what it goes for GitHub Desktop. I hope you found this lecture helpful. Let's meet in our next lecture.